Hi, welcome to Deb's Quick Solutions. Here I am going to bring easy and quicker hacks and methods of using MX Office and its hidden powerful features. I'll also bring across many useful websites which are free on various fields. I'll also bring concepts of bit on personal finance and how to use Gen AI in your daily work and many more. So let's get started. Today's topic is Excel on Excel. I'm going to show you how quickly you can create a table from a raw data with just a click of a button and some features of that also. So if you see this data, the data has a heading of month, department, region, sales, and there are different details of that particular to the cells. Now, how to create a table quickly with a click of a button, right? Rather than going into insert or maybe to create a table or maybe going to data and create a filter, how you can quickly use it with a click of a button and create the table. So you click the cursor within the data, not anywhere else, but within the data. Anywhere else. Let's keep it here only. Just press Ctrl D. See, the Excel has captured the range of the data, right? Just simply press OK or just enter. The table is created. As simple as that, right? You see, drop down has come. It will capture all the details of that particular column. Everything has come, correct? With just click of a button. Now, by creating this table, right, what happens? One tab has been activated. If you see on the top, it's table design, correct? So what it says is that you can format this particular table to your need. Like if you come to table styles, right, you can change the color like of the particular table, right? Then on the left hand side, table styles options, right? So in that there are options of header, row and filter. As because there is a header and there is a filter, right, it is automatically checked. But if you want to uncheck this, suppose if you uncheck filter button, it will go off, right? Or if you want to delete the header row itself, then automatically the filter button will be uh, shady. Okay, but we need this filter, so we'll keep it. Now there is an option automatically checked is banded row. So if I uncheck this, see, this highlighted portion will go off. Right? If you don't want to keep it highlighted, you want to keep it as a normal data, and then you want to format on that, you can do it. For the time being, I am not removing it. Like this, there are many other features which I will bring across in my next videos. I need to keep it very simple for today. Um, just to reiterate, I will come with many such hacks and features of how to convert your complex work to a very simple method of your daily office work or anything else in your life, right? I'll try to bring that across. Till then, thank you so much for watching the video. Be happy.